I'm sure you've heard the news. Dogs are plotting their escape. Picture this. Max, our daring doggo, is hatching a plan for the ultimate jailbreak. First, he scouts the backyard, looking for any weak spots. There, the loose fence board. With a wiggle and a wag, he's free. But wait, Max isn't just running wild, he's got an itinerary. Step 1, the neighbor's garden. Those tulips don't stand a chance. Step 2, the park. Squirrels beware. Max is living his best life, sniffing every tree, chasing every critter, and just when he thinks it can't get any better, he finds the ultimate jackpot, a stick. But freedom has its costs. As the sun sets, Max is tired and ready to head home. Because there's no place like a cozy bed and belly rubs. Who knew escaping could be this much fun? Stay tuned for more epic dog adventures.